Now the seventh question, fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Okay, point G is the centroid means segment AP, segment BQ and segment CR are the medians. If the length of RG is 2.5, then what is the length of GC? We know that the one property, centroid is divides each median of the triangle into the ratio 2:1. So by using this property, we solve one by one. We know that centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So now first, what is the first? If the length of RG is equal to 2.5, then length of GC is equal to question mark. Okay. So by using above property, length of GC upon length of RG is equal to 2/1. Therefore, length of GC upon, put the value 2.5 is equal to 2/1. Therefore, length of GC is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 2, that is the 5. Now see the second. If length of BG is equal to 6, then length of BQ is equal to question mark. See, length of BG upon length of GQ is equal to 2/1. Correct? By using above property. So therefore put the value, length of BG is 6. 6 upon length of GQ is equal to 2/1. So therefore length of GQ is equal to 6/2. Therefore length of GQ is equal to 3. Now in the question, length of BQ is asked. So length of BQ is equal to length of BG plus length of GQ. That is 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Now the third, if the length of AP is equal to 6, then length of AG is equal to question mark and find the length of GP. So now we know that centroid divides the each medium in the ratio 2:1. So therefore length of AG upon length of GP is equal to 2/1. So therefore length of AG is equal to 2 into length of GP. So let length of GP is equal to x. Therefore length of AG is equal to twice x. And now we know that length of AG plus the length of GP is equal to length of AP, and length of AP is given. So therefore twice x plus x is equal to 6. So therefore thrice x is equal to 6 Therefore x is equal to 6 by 3. Therefore x is equal to 2. Correct? So therefore length of GP, what is the length of GP? X. Is the x means 2, and the length of AG is equal to twice x means 2 into 2, that is 4. So the practice set 4.1 is over. Thank you.